Hi, we're about to do a Hindu squats cardio workout, starting with the low kick through. So get in the plank position and get ready. Go right hand to left foot and left hand to right foot. You don't have to really go all the way to your foot, but if you touch your ankle, it's fine. This is a great exercise for your upper body and your core. Right hand, left foot, and left hand, right foot. Fast as you can. Good balance. Stop and up. We're going to do frog jump. So you're just going to jump like a frog. You're going to touch your feet between your legs and jump up. Get ready. Go. Touch, jump, touch, jump. And I don't want you just bending from your waist. I want you to do a squat. So stick your butt back and your head out as you do it. Touch and jump, touch and jump. And I want you to exhale as you compress yourself. Inhale as you stand up. Good. Stop and down. Crossbody mountain climbers, regular mountain climbers, except you go crossbody with your knees. I'll let you know. Get ready. Go. Crossbody. So knee to the opposite elbow, fast as you can. Another great exercise for your core, for your upper body, as well as your legs. Get that knee as close as you can to your chin and go as fast as you can. Stop and up. Hindu squats, and this is going to be the order. It's not going to change. We're going to do a modified Hindu squat. So get ready to touch your ankles and go. Touch your ankles and come up with your hands over your head and put a hat on your head and try to get your back at a 45-degree angle. Stick your butt back and your head out. And again, you're going to exhale as you compress yourself. Inhale as you stand up. Fast as you can with good form. Smooth as fast. Stop and back down to the low kick through. And you're in a plank position. Get ready. Go. Right hand, left foot, and left hand, right foot. You don't have to go to your foot. Going to your ankle is fine. Fast as you can. Good form. Good balance. Tight core. And don't forget to breathe at regular intervals. I think I exhale every other touch there. Yours might be a little different. Stop and up. Frog jumps. Get ready. Go. Touch and jump. Touch and jump. You're doing a squat when you're touching, sticking that butt back. And exhale as you compress. Jump up as high as you can. You can jump higher than I can. I'm an old man, so jump up high. And go, touch and jump, touch and jump. Stop and back down. Cross-body mountain climbers. Once again, get ready. Go, dig, dig, dig. Knee to the opposite elbow. Going as fast as you can. And don't forget breathing here. But it's just like you're running, except you're horizontal. Go, 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 dig, dig, dig. Stop and up. Hindu squats. Get ready. Go. Squat and up and up. Reaching down, sweeping your ankles, bringing that hands up and putting that hat on your head, sticking that butt back, head out, back at a 45-degree angle, exhaling as you compress. Stop. Okay, we're going to take a 30-second break, okay? I want you to stretch it out, take a sip of water, and hey, are you looking for a fat loss program? Complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page. Check out the Get Healthy at Home program. Link in the description. Need to get ready for round 2. Stretch out a little bit more. A few more deep breaths. 10 seconds. Order's going to be exactly the same. Get ready. Low kick through. Go. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. The ankle is fine. Don't have to touch the foot. Good balance. Tight core. Good. Keep going. Make the second set better than the first set. Stop and up. Frog jumps. Get ready to touch and jump. And go. Touch the ground and jump. Touch and jump. Touch and jump fast as you can. Exhaling as you crunch yourself. Inhaling as you stand back up straight. Good. Stop and down, crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Knee to the opposite elbow. Go. Dig, dig, dig. Hey, why do we do the knee to the opposite elbow? The reason that we do it is to give some torque there to our transverse abdominis and some stress on the obliques for that good core. That's why we go crossbody and not just straight up and down. Stop and up, Hindu squats. Get ready, squat down and sweep your ankles. Go down, sweep your ankles and put that hat on your head and exhale as you compress. You can probably hear me doing it. So that should be a reminder to you. Stick the butt back, head forward, and be smooth. As smooth as fast. Stop. And down. Low kick through with 2 minutes to go. Get ready. Go. Left hand, right foot, right hand, left foot. Keeping that core tight. Reaching and touching, reaching and touching. Nice and smooth. Really great exercise for your upper body. Stop and up, frog jumps. Get ready to touch and jump. And go, touch, jump, touch, jump. Come on, jump up high. Jump up higher than I can. Just about anybody can jump higher than me, right? Touch, jump, touch, jump. Stop and down, cross-body mountain climbers with 1 minute to go. Get ready. Go. Dig, dig, dig. Knee going towards that opposite elbow. Get that knee as close to your chin as you can. And move it as fast as you can. Hold that upper body up. Keep the core tight. Stop and up, Hindu squats. Get ready. Go. And sweep the ankles. Exhale as you compress, putting the hat on your head. Go, go, go. Fast as you can. Good form. Exhale as you go down and exhale. Good. Stop. Okay, hey, if this workout's too short for you, just rewind it and do it as many times as you want. And make sure to click on this video right here for your next workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.